You are watching JP Tarot, and right now I am going to do the October monthly reading for the air signs Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, if you have your Sun, Moon, Rising, even Venus sign, that's a planet of romance, in your with the placement of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then this reading is for you. If you have your signs, sunshine, moon sign, rising and Venus sign as Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This reading is for you. This is a detailed reading. Okay, so I will deal with your past, present, and future along with this clarification and outcome card. So you will get clarity on your overall situation. If you have not watched my last videos, July, August, and September, you can watch them to have a better clarity in your situation. Okay, if you will watch all, this is a 6-month series, so you will get greater insight, and you can see all those. I will do this reading until December. Okay, until the month of December. Okay, right now I'm doing all the 6 video on the single go. Okay, in one go, so you will get all my videos back to back. You can just check out all the videos, whether it's a current month's video or future month's video, so you can be ready beforehand for any opportunity coming your way. Okay, what I'm saying, if you will have clarity over your situation, if you will watch all those video, past and present, and even the upcoming will come, then you will watch them also, then you will get more clarity to avoid past mistakes, what to do, to things, to actions to be taken in the present to make the future right or correct, and to be prepared to take the opportunity of the future. I'm just elaborated, I have elaborated the benefit. Okay, now I'm going to elaborate this reading. Okay, now I'm going to deal with this reading, so let's get in. Okay, so in the past somebody was confused. Okay, and right now they are feeling very much stable towards their partner. They feel like their husband, wife, the other half, and in the future they're expecting a marriage. Okay, some celebration is on the horizon. Okay, in the past somebody was confused. This is clarification card. Okay, somebody was confused, that was making the other party, the other person, feel like left behind. Despite that feeling, the feeling of left behind due to that confusion from the other side, this partner stood their ground, and they had this stability, stable emotion for the person, and the vice versa, that whoever was confused, this continued to think stable about the person, though they left their person. Okay, this was either side, but there was stability in this relationship. So presently, that's why, despite this confusion and this left behind like situation, you both are feeling currently that you are stable towards each other. You have a stable relationship that could lead to a marriage in the future. Okay, so if you will continue to feel this stability, there is happiness and victory around the horizon. Okay, but entire month, despite the stability and prospect that you could gain success and victory in this relationship, despite this left behind like situation and confusion, you are feeling anxiety. You are gonna feel anxiety. You will have this cold feet due to this, might be due, this is the confusion that is not giving you the confidence to move ahead, because you are feeling like left behind, and you are feeling though this relationship is stable and has the potential to get married, to turn into marriage, and you can have this victory, but you are still confused, and might be there is not a very great communication, or even no communication despite this stability you are feeling towards your partner. Okay, so that's not helping you. Okay, and you are feeling anxiety, okay, in this situation. Are you getting me? So due to lack of clarity, I think that somebody is confused, so the other is feeling left behind, though there is stability and potential and potential of success and victory. Some partner, the other partner who is not getting clarity, is confused. That might be you. Okay, that, and that's the entire month of October you are going to feel stable towards your partner. You will have that positive emotion and thinking about your relationship, that you can get married with your person and have victory in this situation. But somebody is not giving you clarity, that is giving you anxiety and feeling like left behind. Okay, you are feeling like left behind entire month. You are going to feel like. Okay, that's all for this month. You, if you want, you can see other videos, my past videos, to get this interlinked connection. You will back to back see all of them, then you will get more clarity over your situation. Okay, so there might be no communication, or a communication is on horizon, or there is no clarity, some separation or reunion like situation might be there, or some no communication like situation, that's leading to this anxiety and confusion and left behind like feeling, despite this stability and potential of victory and marriage in this situation. So entire month you are gonna have this anxiety, fear. Okay, you will have to sort out this situation, have clarity, and stop thinking. If you will get clarity, you will stop thinking like left behind, and you will ultimately gain this success and victory, and your wish could come true. Okay, so clarity is needed. The overall message is clarity is needed. Get clarity and give clarity. Okay, that's all for you for this month. If you liked it, if you like this reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe, please. Okay, so that's all for you for this reading. To have better clarity, please see all my past video. You will get the clear insight that what you are crossing through, and how should you deal with it to take the most of the advantage of the opportunity coming your way to make this relationship successful. Okay, that's all for you in this reading. Thank you. Goodbye.